Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. Today we got the Sportster here. It's the 883 Sportster. Model classification, and it is an XL883C. White in color, the bike's in good condition. It has 8,750 miles on it. It is missing a few fairing bolts right here, but those are about to be installed in the service department right after I finish this video. No rips or tears in the seat, good tread left on the tires. I didn't notice any major blemishes on the paint or, cosmetic blemishes. Really good, clean looking bike. It's got the cool primary cover there. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. It is a carbureted bike. So exact mileage, 8778, so a little bit more miles. Fires right up. Sounds nice. Not sure if this is stock exhaust with the baffles removed, but it definitely is a little bit louder than normal. Does come with a little clock right here, handlebar clock. So there you have it. That is a 2006 Harley Davidson Sportster 883, carbureted bike. 8,778 miles. If you have any further questions, need more information, contact us through our website at simplystreetbikes.com. Or you can go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. And this bike here does come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street Bikes.